Hello everyone, welcome back to the Forge. Now for today's project we're going to be doing a kiridashi, and I'm going to be using a piece of Damascus cut off from the end of a billet I used for another knife. So let's get this tossed in the forge. Alright, now what I'm going with for this design is a 7-inch overall length with a 2-inch cutting edge. Just a basic, straightforward kiridashi design. So once the steel gets up to temperature, we'll start hammering this sucker out. Alright, so there's our kiridashi rough forged out. I'm going to let this cool down and then take it in there to the grinder and clean it up. The reason I didn't forge the bevel here on the end is because this is an end piece of the Damascus billet. I wanted to leave as much mass as I could to grind it clean because I didn't want to forge down real thin and end up having a cold shut or something on the end of the billet. So this should give me plenty of room to clean it up and everything. But with that being said, as soon as it cools off, we'll get it in there to the grinder, get it cleaned up, and get it finished. Alright, there we are. I'm going to go ahead and do some thermal cycling on this. Then we'll be ready for the quench, and then I'll temper it, and then we'll finish it up and get it etched. See how she turned out. Quench went good, no cracks. It's out of the temper. Let's get in there and get this sucker wrapped up.